Alright, so what we're looking at here is the list of 24 different colored overlays that you're about to see demonstrated. These colored overlays are simply, if you can remember what an overhead projector looks like, teachers would write on the overhead projector on a little film. That thing is just called an overlay. And these overlays come in several different colors. So the one in front of you now that it'll be a little bit hard to see on a wood table is turquoise. And the way these colored overlays work is they have two sides. They have a matte side and they have a glossy side. And again, I know in the camera you're not going to be able to see that as well, but when you see it in person, you'll hopefully remember it. And what you do is you take two of them and place them over separate sides of comparable text. And again, in person, what you'll be able to see is a significant difference. Let's look at the text without colored overlay. Then we'll look at it with colored overlay. And then we'll look at it again with another colored overlay. And most people immediately say something like, that one's easier or that one's harder. And what you do is you go through the 24 different colors, and it's kind of like head-to-head competition. If a color beats a couple other colors, we keep it around and we'll look at it against all the other ones that won a couple of rounds. And then once we narrow it down to 3 or 4 different colors, then we'll do some systematic comparison of the student's reading rate as well as the number of errors that they have over a specific amount of time. We'll have them read several different passages because we don't want them reading the same exact paragraph over and over again, because the second and third and fourth time that they retell a passage or reread a passage, they'll be able to read it much better because they're remembering it rather than actually reading it. So what you need to know is that you kind of do a head-to-head comparison. So we'll say, okay, which one made it easier to read? Oh, this one was easier for you? Okay, so we'll keep around the yellow one. How about now? Which one looks easier? Oh, still the yellow one? So we'll put that other one in a discard pile again. What about now? Oh wait, the blue one's the better, so we'll keep this yellow one around. Now we'll keep comparing. Yeah, the blue one's still better for me. Move on to another color. Oh, now the pink one's better, so we'll keep this one around with that yellow one from earlier because it beat a couple of other colors. And some people will say, well, I don't even see a difference with the one to the left. That's okay, then it's the loser, it moves off to the loser pile. So you get the idea. And then, like I said, now we'll have the student and we'll time them read what's on this page, and we'll look for words per minute, and we'll look at the number of errors that they have. And then we'll have them use one of the other winners, so to speak, and we'll have them read another paragraph, and we'll look at number of words per minute, and we'll look at errors made. And at that point, we'll begin to have some information on which one is realistically better versus which one might be a personal preference. In addition to this video, you'll see an attachment of a PDF handout that talks about which colors appear to be friendliest to different categories of disability. This does not always hold true to each disability, but it is a tendency that has been observed by a lady named Judy Sweeney, who knows a lot of information about these things. That's it.